What's the meaning of artificiality? Artificiality. Artificiality.
Artificiality. Artificiality. Artificiality refers to something that is made or done by humans rather than occurring naturally. It can also refer to the quality of being insincere or contrived. The term is often used in contrast to nature or authenticity. In general, artificiality implies a lack of spontaneity or authenticity. In some cases, artificiality is desirable, such as in synthetic materials or technology. However, when it comes to human relationships and experiences, artificiality can be seen as negative because it lacks the warmth and genuineness of natural interactions.